Welcome back to Exotic Kits, your one-stop channel for replicas, kits, cars and projects. Friday is here again, so let's do Friday's shoutouts. Daryl Stone, Carlos Garcia, Tony Felix, Sunal Singh, Randy Miller. Thanks to you for joining the ever-growing Facebook group. This week we took delivery of our new project, a rear-damaged Suzuki Swift. So I have created a video on the delivery and first jobs carried out. But first I want to show you this new kit that has become available. A classic Mercedes 192L. The kit comes as pictured and can be built in two formats. Sit back and enjoy this video. One is a petrol-powered or full electric version. We start with the fiberglass shell and accessories. One is a petrol-powered or full electric version, of which one has become available on eBay.com. This car is advertised for $21,000, which is great for a build of this quality. The advert is written as, "For sale, beautiful replica of Mercedes 190 SL with electric engine. Chassis is from Mercedes 180 Ponton from 1955 and the body is made from really good quality epoxy resin covered with best quality Norwegian gel coat. This one is used to cover ships. The car is in use from 3 years and has driven about 5,000 kilometers. Range is about 70 kilometers and time of full charging is about 6 hours from your home socket. Top speed is about 90 kilometers per hour. Lithium-ion cells, engine power 35 kW. The car rides really good and everything works, but needs a little bit of painting repairs, a little bit of mechanical repairs, and the chromes needs to be made. But as stated, for $21,000 it's a real bargain, as genuine cars are selling for $100,000 plus. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Join our Facebook group, Exotic Kits, Replicas, Kits, Cars and Body Kits, for a shout out Friday.